So today I'm going to present you the new hinge from SFS, which is called the J-Tec. The J-Tec, this is a concealed hinge for aluminium door application. So the concealed hinges mean that when the door is closed, you will not see at all the hinge. This is a product that's been developed with a partnership with a customer in France. It's a 3D adjustment hinge. It can carry up to 120 kilos. It's really specific, for the profile from the customer. So it's meaning that when we developed the hinge, the customer also adapts the profiles, especially the frame one, to the hinge in order to achieve the performance. Some specific things about the hinge is that because it's handmade, it's tailor-made, we were also able to write down the name of the door for the customer. The door is aluminium. This is aluminium panel, aluminium frame. And we were able to reach also something interesting that you can see here is that, because the door were well thought, we reached the SC2 test with the door and our hinge installed. Particularities of this kind of hinge, this is not a shelf product. It's meaning that you need to develop the product with the customer and make sure, to adapt according to the customer profile. So it's a very close collaboration that you have to do with the customer.